etc., etc. If you want to do all of this, you will have to study for many, many years. So I guess more accurately, the purpose of these videos is to teach you enough Arabic grammar so you can begin to understand and appreciate the Quran. You will find plenty of textbooks and classes, even online classes, that teach the Arabic language. Now, oddly enough, at least in my own personal experience, I've had a very hard time trying to find free online videos that explain Arabic grammar using very plain and lucid English to non-native speakers who want to understand the Quran. And that's pretty much why I decided to undertake this task, namely to create a program that is 100% free and accessible, and that will equip students with enough grammar knowledge as quickly as possible so that they can understand the Quran. This video series will not teach you how to speak in Arabic, and it will not teach you how to write in Arabic, nor will it teach you any new Arabic vocabulary. So you probably realize at this point that my intention is not to teach you the Arabic language completely. Also, this video series will not teach you tafsir, which is the interpretation of the Quran, nor will it teach you tajweed, which is how to recite the Quran properly. So what does this video series do? Inshallah, this video series will teach you the grammatical structure of verses and the grammatical function of words. So my focus here is exclusively on the grammar of the Quran. In addition, this series will condense 2 to 3 years of Arabic grammar instruction into 20 short videos. I will try my best to emphasize the direct application of grammatical rules using examples taken straight from the Quran. This video series will serve as a supplementary resource for students currently enrolled in an Arabic class, but it can also be treated as a standalone curriculum by itself. If you are a beginner to the Arabic language, then I would strongly recommend that you watch these videos in order. I have arranged these videos in such a sequence that topics will be presented in increasing difficulty, and it is very important to master one concept before progressing on to the next. Now, if you consider yourself an advanced student, then do as you wish. Feel free to jump around. You can use these videos to review your grammar, or you can simply relearn the material from a different instruction approach, which never hurts. There is one prerequisite, and that is you should already be familiar with the Arabic script and be able to read joined letters marked by short vowels or harakat. For example, here we have a very simple sentence. You should be able to read it with relative ease and comfort, like this. أرسل الله القرآن هداية للناس. أرسل الله القرآن هداية للناس.